In this video, I will share with you the only 5-minute Forex trading strategy that you will ever need. So if you're interested, let's hop right into it. Alright people, so let's hop right into this strategy. Of course, as the title says, this strategy will take place on the 5-minute. But before I jump into the rules, please let me know in the comment section down below what your favorite time frame is when you trade Forex. So now let's get right into it, okay? Basically, we will need 3 indicators for this simple strategy. The first indicator is the 200 EMA that we will add from here. We go ahead and click EMA, moving average exponential. We click on it. Then you will go to the settings and you will make sure you will set the length at 200 style. You can use whatever color you want. Second indicator that we need is the relative strength index, or the RSI. You click on it and all you do is remove the RSI based MA because we do not need that, and you leave the rest default. Third and last indicator is going to be the ADR stop loss indicator, and it's going to be this one by Edgar underline trend. You click on it and you leave everything at default. All right, so now what are the entry rules for this strategy? We enter only when we see a touch of the 200 EMA. If we are below the 200 EMA, we enter a sell. If we are above, we enter a buy. So let's say we use this recent price section because we like to keep things real. Right here, we would have our first entry. Okay, so what do we look for when we enter? First, we enter on the touch of the 200 EMA. As soon as we see the touch, we enter straight away. Secondly, if we have the RSI above the 50 level, we enter. If not, we do not enter. Okay, so let me also highlight the 50 level to make it more visible. I will put a line like this, and if the RSI is above 50, the entry is valid and we enter the sell. And for the buy example, if the RSI is below 50, the entry is valid and we enter the buy. Okay, those are the rules. After you enter, you will aim for a 1 to 3 risk to reward rate ratio. That's what I used in my backtests and it worked pretty good. And you can move your stop loss at break even after 1 to 5 risk to reward rate, of course. Only if you want to. If not, if you want to keep things very simple, you can just you just can let the trade run without moving your stop loss at break even. Okay, so now let's use the bar replay and check out these examples. Okay, so right here, check this out. We touched the 200 EMA and we will enter a sell right here, and the stop loss would be right on the ATR stop loss indicator, which is right there. And then we would use a 1 to 3 risk to reward rate, okay, which is right there. And now let's play the market, see how it played out, and we can see that the take profit was hit. Also, for the people that do not have time to trade Forex every single day or still struggle being profitable while trading Forex, but still want to get setups like this, I highly recommend you check out my free signal group on Telegram. The link is down below. This setup was literally sent today. It was a buy limit pending order. All we do is send pending orders because like this, every single one of you will be able to make profits from the signals. And this one was sent in the VIP. Of course, if you want to upgrade to the VIP, where we do VIP live weekly coaching sessions every single week, you can do that from the free signal group. Okay, enjoy and thank me later. And we would have got another entry right there because the price touched the 200 EMA again. But of course, if you want to keep things simple, I would just let one trade run entirely before looking for a next setup. Okay, so in this case, we wouldn't have took this setup. So right here, the take profit would have been smashed. Very nice win. Let's look for 1 or 2 more examples before ending the video. And then I will highly recommend you guys to go ahead and test it yourself before using it on a live account. Okay, do not take things for granted. Please go ahead, test them. Make sure you understood everything before using it. Okay, Right here, again, on the touch, you enter. If you want to be very safe and not miss the entry, you can place a sell limit right on the 200 EMA, okay, with the stop loss on the ATR level. You place a sell limit right on the 200 EMA, and like this, you won't miss the trade. But very important, for the entry to be valid, you have to see the RSI above 50 for a sell and below 50 for a buy. If we do not see that, we do not enter, okay? The take profit will be right there, and as you can see, we would have entered right here, okay? And let's see how this trade plays out. Again, another beautiful take profit. Let's check one more, which is this one right here. And as you can see, guys, this is literally from recent market structure, okay? I did not go back in time to pick up the best possible entries. I just literally looked at what already happened, okay? So check this out. Let's use the bar replay once again to see if this setup is valid. So check this out, okay? We are approaching the 200 EMA. We can see that the RSI is above 50, so this would be a valid entry. Then all we do is we place a sell limit right on the 200 EMA, which gets literally touched right there. And then we place the stop loss according to the ATR and the take profit at 1 to 3, okay? Very, very simple rules. And yeah, this strategy is pretty accurate. I'm not gonna lie. It's very, very accurate. But please make sure to use proper risk management, because you will also get losses, okay? It's not gonna be a holy grail strategy that doesn't exist. So getting losses is also normal, okay? Make sure to understand this. And this would have been a pretty long trade. Of course, if I would have saw a lack of volatility right here, I would have probably closed it around there at 1.2 R, which is still a very good trade. But let's say you kept it, and still it would have smashed your take profit right there, okay? So yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the strategy. It's very, very simple to use, very simple to understand. What pairs would I recommend? I would recommend pairs like odd JPY, GBP JPY, odd USD, GBP USD, pairs that move, okay? Don't trade this on I don't know, GBP CHF pair or CAD CHF, okay? Use it on pairs that are volatile, that are trending, and yeah, I think it will work good. But please, please, please make sure you test it, okay? Make sure you test it. Make sure you use proper risk, okay? And if you like it, just let me know in the comments, okay? As I said, let me know what time frame is your favorite time frame in the comments down below, because like this, I will know for the future what type of videos I will create, okay? Other than that, this was pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to not miss out on future uploads. And feel free to also share the video if you think that it's worth it. And if there's any questions, please drop them down below. You know that I will always reply to them, okay? And yeah, that being said, I wish y'all a lovely day and see y'all in the next video. Goodbye.